Hello. I'll tell you a story today. At the Athens Olympics in 2004, the British hockey team of women's didn't even qualify. In 2014, at the World Cup, they were ranked number 11th in the world. But in 2 years, they changed their destinies, and in 2016, the women's hockey team they won gold medal. What strategy they have used, which can be even applied in our daily lives to create an amazing performance boost, and we can even win gold medals in our own lives. So hang in there and I'll tell you all about how they have become number one from number 11th within very short period of time. They created a strategic plan, a strategy which has worked for their rugby and cycling teams already. The idea is called marginal gains. Marginal gains is super simple and brilliant idea from a psychological point of view. Marginal gains means breaking down a big goal into small parts and improving each of that single component. They looked at every single task in teeny tiny details to gain huge improvements. And I'm going to tell you few of them here, what things they did to improve. So first they looked at their fitness. Everyone decided to turn up 10 minutes before training starts. This seems very minor change, but think about it, 10 minutes, 5 days, 50 weeks equals to whopping 42 hours of extra training every year. The second one, they looked at their mood. You got to be positively buzzing before a big game, or you don't want others to do anything that is going to spoil your mood. The people who liked music sat together in the bus. The people who preferred silence, they sat together. The ones who were messy in the changing room, they were put together. So by changing these small things, these small changes help the players to be focused and less anxious before a big game. They were in a better mood. They looked at their practice environment as well. They made sure their practice pitch is as close to the real replica of the Rio ground. They become familiar with the surroundings. So they practice in an environment where the big games were going to be played. The fourth thing, they started these thinking Thursdays. On Thursdays, the players really went for exhausting training not like normal days. At the end, the coach would ask them to solve problems and think about tactical issues. This helped them think faster under lot of pressure. One thing doesn't win you a gold medal, but when the dedicated women added up all their marginal gains, the performance was massive, and they did won the gold medal in 2016. Big tasks or goals overwhelm us. Marginal gains is finding and improving the small things every single day. So for example, look at this chart. Initially, small changes does not seem to make big difference, but over time they change your life in either good or bad way. For example, there was a research done about what happens if you eat one bite extra a day in all your meals. At the end of the year, the researchers found an average of 4 kilograms of weight gain just by eating one bite more. Marginal gains is like a daily small and not very hard change with big consequences in the future. I hope you understand this concept of marginal gains and you will be able to break your big wishes into small daily tasks. If you are struggling with that, you can always drop me an email and I'll help you break down the big goals into small chunks and help you achieve your goals and win you gold medals in life. Thank you very much. Hope you like it and take care.